Think you need fancy gym machines or weights to build strength? Think again. With just your body and a little space, you can power up every muscle group right at home. No equipment means no excuses, only effective, full-body workouts that boost strength, improve balance, and tone your body. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, get ready to discover how simple moves can deliver big results without stepping foot in a gym. Today, we will talk about no equipment, no problem, full-body strength training at home. So before we start, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. 1. The power of bodyweight training. You don't need fancy machines or heavy weights to build strength and tone your body. Bodyweight training leverages your own weight as resistance, making it a highly accessible and effective form of exercise that you can do anywhere. From beginners to advanced fitness enthusiasts, bodyweight exercises improve muscle endurance, flexibility, and balance. They engage multiple muscle groups simultaneously, enhancing functional fitness useful for everyday movements. Plus, bodyweight workouts reduce the risk of injury often linked to improper equipment use or heavy weights. Regular practice improves muscle tone, posture, and core stability, laying the foundation for overall health. With creativity, you can design full-body routines targeting your legs, glutes, chest, back, arms, and core, all from your living room. The best part? No gym membership required, saving you time and money while empowering you to train on your schedule. 2. Upper body strength without weights. Building upper body strength at home is easy with bodyweight exercises that engage your chest, shoulders, back, and arms. Classic push-ups are a cornerstone, strengthening the chest, triceps, and shoulders while engaging your core. Variations like incline push-ups or wall push-ups reduce intensity for beginners, while decline push-ups increase difficulty. Plank to push-up transitions activate the shoulders and triceps dynamically, building endurance. Triceps dips using a sturdy chair target the backs of the arms. For back strength, Superman holds or reverse snow angels on the floors strengthen your posterior chain. These exercises improve posture and help counteract the effects of prolonged sitting and screen time. Focusing on controlled movements and proper form maximizes muscle engagement, reduces injury risk, and builds lasting strength without needing dumbbells or resistance bands. 3. Lower body workouts to sculpt and strengthen. Your lower body is the powerhouse of your body, and you can effectively train your legs, glutes, and calves with bodyweight moves. Squats are foundational, activating the quads, hamstrings, and glutes while improving hip mobility. Start with basic squats and progress to jump squats for explosive power and cardio benefits. Lunges, whether forward, backward, or walking, challenge balance and unilateral strength, helping correct muscle imbalances. Glute bridges activate and strengthen your glute muscles and hamstrings, while also supporting pelvic stability. Single leg deadlifts improve balance and target hamstrings and glutes with greater intensity. Calf raises, performed on a step or flat surface, tone the calves and improve ankle stability. Consistent practice not only sculpts the lower body, but also enhances functional strength for activities like walking, climbing stairs, and jumping. 4. Core conditioning for stability and power. A strong core is essential for all movement, improving posture, balance, and overall strength. Bodyweight exercises offer a variety of effective core workouts without any equipment. The classic plank is a static hold that targets the entire core, including the deep stabilizing muscles around your spine. Side planks focus on the obliques, which support rotational movement and lateral stability. Bicycle crunches engage the rectus abdominis and obliques dynamically, improving coordination and muscle endurance. Leg raises strengthen the lower abdominals, which often get neglected in traditional crunches. Mountain climbers combine core activation with cardiovascular benefits. Incorporating core work into your routine enhances your ability to perform other body weight exercises with better form and efficiency, reducing injury risk and supporting daily functional movements. 5. Designing a balanced full-body routine. To create an effective full-body workout at home, It's essential to balance exercises targeting different muscle groups and energy systems. A typical session could start with a warm-up of dynamic stretches and light cardio like jumping jacks or high knees to prepare muscles and joints. Follow with compound movements such as squats and push-ups that engage multiple muscle groups. Incorporate unilateral exercises like lunges and single-leg deadlifts to improve symmetry and balance. Add core-focused exercises between sets to maintain engagement. Structure workouts in circuits or supersets to increase intensity and maintain an elevated heart rate, enhancing fat burning and endurance. Cool down with stretching to improve flexibility and promote recovery. By alternating muscle groups in varying intensity, you can avoid overtraining and keep progress steady while maintaining motivation. 6. Progressions and modifications to keep challenging yourself. As your strength and endurance improve, it's important to progressively increase workout difficulty to continue seeing results. Bodyweight exercises offer numerous variations and progressions to meet your evolving fitness level. For example, once regular push-ups become easy, try diamond or archer push-ups for added triceps and shoulder challenge. Add tempo changes, such as slow eccentric lowering, to increase muscle tension and control. Increase reps or sets gradually, or reduce rest periods to boost cardiovascular benefits. Plyometric moves like jump squats and clap push-ups introduce explosive power training. If an exercise feels too difficult, modify it by reducing range of motion or performing it against the wall or on your knees. Tracking your progress helps keep workouts fresh and encourages consistency, ensuring that your full body strength training remains effective and rewarding. 7. Overcoming common challenges and staying motivated. Training at home without equipment can sometimes lead to boredom or lack of motivation. To overcome this, variety is key. Mix up your routine by trying different exercise combinations, incorporating challenges like timed intervals or setting personal records. Use online resources such as workout videos, apps, or fitness communities for guidance and support. Setting specific measurable goals, for example, increasing push-ups or holding a plank longer, helps maintain focus. Scheduling workouts like appointments and preparing your space beforehand create a habit. Listening to upbeat music or working out with family or friends virtually adds enjoyment. Recognize small wins and celebrate progress to build confidence. Remember, consistency trumps perfection. Even short daily sessions contribute to strength gains and improved health, reinforcing your commitment. 8. The long-term benefits of bodyweight training at home. Committing to no equipment strength training at home offers lasting benefits beyond muscle tone. Regular exercise improves bone density, metabolic rate, and cardiovascular health. It supports mental health by reducing stress, anxiety, and depression symptoms. The convenience of home workouts increases adherence, fitting easily around busy schedules and family life. You gain functional strength that improves everyday activities like lifting, carrying, and climbing stairs. Bodyweight training fosters body awareness and control, improving balance and coordination that reduce fall risk, especially as you age. Plus, the affordability and accessibility remove barriers to fitness, democratizing health and wellness. By making bodyweight workouts a lifestyle habit, you invest in your long-term vitality, confidence, and quality of life, all from the comfort of your own home. Well, if you like this video and would like to see more like it, please give it the thumbs up, leave a comment, and click the button to subscribe.